Why you should stop drinking water from plastic. Switch to glass or copper for cleaner, safer sips. Water is life, we all know that. But what if the way you're drinking it is quietly undermining your health? If you're still chugging from plastic bottles, especially ones that been baking in a hot car before your hike or gym session, it's time to rethink your hydration game. Plastic isn't just a convenience, it's a risk, leaching chemicals into your water that your body doesn't need. Instead, imagine sipping from a sleek glass bottle or a sturdy copper vessel, clean, safe, and even a little magical. Worried glass might shatter with your rough-and-tumble life or your kids' chaos? Copper's got your back. Let's dive into why plastic's a no-go, how glass and copper shine, and even why some glass bottles come with crystals to boost your water's vibe. Here's the scoop on ditching plastic for good and why it's a game-changer for your health and the planet. 1. The plastic problem. Leaching chemicals into your water. Picture this. You toss a plastic water bottle into your car, head to the gym or a hike, and it sits there in the summer heat for hours. By the time you crack it open, it's not just water you're drinking, it's water with a side of chemicals. Plastic bottles, especially those made from polyethylene terephthalate, PET, or polycarbonate, can leach nasty stuff like BPA, bisphenol A, phthalates, and antimony into your drink. Heat like a hot car or even a sunny day speeds up this process, turning your bottle into a chemical stew. BPA and phthalates. These are endocrine disruptors, fancy talk for they mess with your hormones. Studies link them to issues like fertility problems, weight gain, and even increased risk of certain cancers. Even BPA-free plastics can leach other sneaky substitutes that aren't much better. Antimony, a toxic metal that seeps out over time, especially in heat. It's not something you want sipping alongside your H2O, think nausea, fatigue, or worse with long-term exposure. Microplastics. Tiny plastic bits break off and end up in your gut. Research is still unfolding, but early signs suggest they are not doing your body any favors. That bottle you left in the car before your hike? It's a ticking time bomb of leaching. Why risk it when cleaner options like glass and copper exist? 2. Glass. The pure, simple choice. Switching to glass water bottles is like hitting the reset button on your hydration. It's pure, neutral, and doesn't mess with your water's taste or quality. Glass doesn't leach anything, no chemicals, no metals, just water as nature intended. It's the gold standard for clean drinking, and it's eco-friendly too, recyclable and free of the plastic waste choking our planet. Why it's great. Glass is inert, meaning it won't react with your water or the environment. Whether it's sitting in a hot car or chilling in your fridge, your water stays pristine. Plus, it's easy to clean, no funky smells or stains like plastic picks up over time. The breakage worry. Okay, fair point, glass can break. If you're hiking rugged trails, juggling a busy life, or have kids who treat everything like a football, you might hesitate. But modern glass bottles often come with silicone sleeves for grip and protection, tougher than they look. Still nervous? Copper's your next hero. Glass keeps it simple and safe, your water stays clean, no matter where life takes you. 3. Copper. The tough, health-boosting alternative. If glass feels too fragile for your rough-and-tumble world, copper water vessels are your new best friend. Used for centuries in Ayurveda, India's ancient healing system, copper isn't just durable, it's a powerhouse that actually improves your water quality. Toss it in your gym bag, let your kids bang it around, or take it on a hike. It's tough as nails and adds a wellness boost plastic could never dream of. How copper improves water. Natural antibacterial. Copper ions kill bacteria, viruses, and fungi in your water, think E. coli or mold that might creep in over time. Studies show copper surfaces zap germs fast, making your water safer with every sip. Alkalizes water. Copper slightly raises water's pH, making it less acidic. Ayurveda says this balances your body's pH, aiding digestion and reducing inflammation. Small but mighty perks. Boosts immunity. Trace amounts of copper leach into the water, in safe, tiny doses, supporting your immune system, brain function, and even collagen production for healthy skin. It's a mineral your body needs, just not from plastic's toxic version. Taste upgrade. Copper gives